Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the NHPC Senior Accountant official syllabus as per the last year examination. So whatever the official syllabus they have released last year, we will discuss that. So let's start the video. Friends, last year examination was held in January 2022. So based on that, they have released the syllabus. So for that examination, the syllabus was as follows. And friends, in this video, we will just discuss the technical syllabus that is of 140 marks out of 200 marks. For senior accountant, from the account section, they have asked questions from double entry accounting system, ratio analysis, cash flow and fund flow statement, costing concepts such as material cost, labor, overhead, then fixed cost, variable cost, standard costing and marginal costing, break-even analysis, PV relationship and contribution margin. And apart from that, questions from budget and budgetary control, types of budget, payback period, net present value and internal rate of return. Then from taxation, income from salary, business and profession, payment of advance tax, minimum alternate tax under Income Tax Act, then central excise, custom duties, service tax, TDS under various sections, filing of ETDS, DVAT, central sales tax, highlight of proposed goods and service tax. So basically income tax and the GST topics are only covered. Then financial model of infrastructure project, SPV and PPP, then adaptation of Ind AS in preparation of annual account, then accounting concept and convention, then bank reconciliation statement, from audit, internal control and investigations, then utility of physical verification of fixed assets. So questions on physical verification of fixed assets, then method of charging depreciation on assets, and methods of valuation of inventory. So these were the highlight topics. Now the same topic in detail they have mentioned from point number 13. So questions from Ind AS will be asked and preparation of financial statements. So basically schedule 3 questions will be asked. Then ratio analysis, various types of ratios you need to prepare, cash flow and fund flow as I already mentioned, then bank reconciliation, then costing concept. So these are the repeat of what they have stated above: labor cost, overhead cost, etc., standard costing, marginal costing, break even. So all is the same one as in the previous points. The important one is budget and budgetary control, type of budget, payback period, net present value and internal rate of return. So whatever the topic you are seeing on your screen, there are chances the questions can be asked from all these topics. Not everyone, but majority of the questions will be from these topics only. Then from taxation, the focus is on income from salary, income from business and profession. They have mentioned only two, salary and PGBP, but not house property and capital gain and other sources. So capital gain you can consider that they won't ask question, but house property and other sources are the important one. You should also prepare for those topics also. Then payment of advance tax, minimum alternate tax, income tax return, deductions from income, tax audit under income tax, TDS are covered from the income tax area. Then customs duty and goods and service tax, GST return, TDS under goods and service tax. So these were the topics from the goods and tax and custom duty. So they will ask the surface level question and not in-depth question. So you don't need to go through entire GST Act. So just you should know the gist of GST Acts, the important points, important topics, and all the relevant dates and forms related to GST, basic constitutional provisions, basic concept questions of GST as well as income tax you should be aware of. Then financial model, infrastructure product, SPV and PPP. You should know about what is special purpose vehicle, then public private partnership. You don't need to know everything from these two. It's just you should know at least minimum concept of what is SPV and what is PPP model. Then raising debt from domestic and international markets. So basically sources of finance, and raising of fund through equity, project appraisal of investments, internal audit and internal control. So some questions can be asked from internal audit and internal control. So it doesn't mean that from audit only these two topics are covered. Basic auditing concept can be asked. Then questions related to auditing standards are there, and you should also prepare for these topics also. So friends, that much is the syllabus they have provided for the last year examination. So you should prepare all these topics. So if I put you summary in nutshell, the questions will be there from accounts, costing, taxation. Taxation include your income tax and GST and your audit. Your number one priority should be accounts, then taxation, then costing, then financial management, and then your audit. So like this you should prepare for it. Now how to prepare and from where to prepare? You can prepare through Finance MCQ website. We have released the course for NHPC Senior Accountant Examination. So you can start your preparation right away without wasting your time. So do visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of NHPC course and start with your preparation. So I hope you find this video useful. Do take a note of all the important topics, and I'm very much sure that this year also they will release the syllabus and it will be more or less same as that of last year's syllabus. So you consider that this is the final syllabus and start preparation. Don't wait till the release of official syllabus for this year. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.